Good afternoon guys. Gagawa tayo ngayon ng creamy chicken with mushrooms. So we have ingredients here. We have capsicum. We also have garlic. We have mushrooms. We have onion. And we have evaporated milk. And the main ingredients is chicken. And of course we have lemon to marinate the chicken. I already put lemon on this chicken. So we have to put salt. A bit of salt. We have also pepper here. Okay. We have to marinate at least 5 minutes. Actually guys, I supposed to fry the chicken, but I decided to use the air fryer, which is more easy, and I think it's more quick than to fry it. Kita nyo ba? Kita ba? Okay. Ito na guys. Pwede na to. Diba? Slice na natin bago lutuin sa hindi to masyadong luto eh. Hindi dapat talaga to masyadong lutuin kasi lutuin ko pa to kasama ng sauce. So slice lang natin to. Ito yung problema sa pag nagluto ka ng pag nagluto ka ng manok sa air fryer, kasi dry siya. Okay. Ito na siya. Okay. Gagawa na tayo ng sauce para doon. Lagyan lang natin ng konting oil. Ayan. Pwede na yan. Okay, kung sa tingin nyo mainit na yung yung kawali, yung oil, ilagay na natin yung garlic. Tapos mix lang. Hintayin hanggang mag-golden brown. Ayan, brown na siya. Ilagay naman natin yung minced garlic. Minced onion. The same procedure. It's just it until the onion Magiging brown siya ng konti. Mix lang tayo. Yan, hindi na yan. Lagay naman natin yung capsicum. Okay, tapos let's add a bit of water. Okay, tansyahin nyo lang kasi maglagay pa kayo ng evap dyan. Okay, that's it. Let's just wait hanggang sa kumulo na siya. Let's add also a lot of pepper. A lot. Kasi mas malasa pag marami ng mga ganito. Pepper. Mas mabango kasi. Okay. Hindi na. Then you have to put this pork cubes instead of chicken cubes. Okay. Tapos, pinili ko ng ilagay pork cubes kasi mas malasa kaysa chicken cubes. Then we have to put also the mushrooms, a lot of mushrooms. Actually, this is my favorite, that's why I put a lot of mushrooms. Kasi kahit naluluto, lutuin mo siya ng lutuin. Feeling ko crunchy pa rin siya eh. So, hindi pa rin yung crunchiness niya. Then, lagyan ko ng mushrooms. Guys, kumukulo na siya. Lagyan natin yung magbibigay special na lasa dito. Yung creaminess niya. Diba? Halo-halo tayo. Hanggang sa mag-sticky siya ng konti. Okay, so sulit na natin yung manok. Masarap to. Papagawin lang natin ng konti. Okay na yan. Bye guys. Bye bye.